Hey everybody, Jay here at Total BMW. I am in a 2019 BMW X5, and today I wanted to show you something we've done that's new for the X5, and of course some of the vehicles going forward will have as well. So traditionally, when you wanted to issue a voice command to the vehicle, even with natural language recognition like we have on, say, some of our 18 models, is you have to go and push this button to get the vehicle to listen to you. For 2019, we've added the ability to have a wake word. So similar to using, Hey Siri or an Amazon Alexa or something like that, where you say a word and it automatically responds to you, BMW allows you to do that now. Now, I know some people, online have, said, well, Mercedes shows that, 2 months ago, even though there's just not on sale yet, but you can say, hey, Mercedes, the car will listen to you. Great. Well, BMW took it a step further and allows you to name your vehicle any word that you want. So me being the huge Marvel Iron Man fan that I am, here's what I did. Jarvis.
Hello, what can I help you with?
I'm Cole.
What temperature should I set?
72 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature at the driver's side at 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
So that's really neat. So let me show you how to use that. So here we're gonna go to Car, Settings, General Settings, Language, and then you can see Activate. I'm not gonna say it because the car will listen to me. But what I can do is I can say personal keyword, and it will allow me to type a word that I would like to use. So I use that. Again, I don't want to say it because I don't want the car to activate. But I can go here and delete it and set it to whatever I want. So that's a really cool way that BMW has done with these cars, and I was actually blown away by that. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.